Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making your site link ready. Fix broken pages, set canonical tags, and boost speed so link equity isn't wasted. Once done, install an SEO plugin and register with Google Search Console to monitor referrals. Next, inventory potential linkable assets, long-form guides, original data, tools, or templates, because quality assets attract backlinks. While you do this, create a simple outreach list of 20 targets and draft 2-3 tailored pitch angles to test immediately. You move into execution, publish a pillar post and 3 supporting pieces, then interlink them to concentrate link value. After that, build personalized outreach messages, reference a specific line in the target site, and suggest exact anchor text or a relevant excerpt to replace. Simultaneously, run Harrow queries and search for broken resource pages where your content fits. Pitch replacement links. Make sure to track outreach in a simple sheet and follow up twice at set intervals. If you finish by scaling what works. Double down on guest posts and partnerships that produce links and use press angles to gain broader attention. Monitor new backlinks, anchor text diversity, and referral traffic weekly so you can spot quality changes and disavow spammy links if needed. If your outreach stalls, iterate. Change subject lines, shorten the pitch, or propose a concrete value exchange. One troubleshooting tip: if links are slow to appear, confirm pages are crawlable and wait 2-4 weeks for discovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.